SCON Design India PVT Ltd stands at the forefront of prefabricated industrial shed manufacturing in the bustling tech hub of Bengaluru. As pioneers in the field, they've revolutionized the way businesses approach industrial infrastructure. Prefabricated sheds, the cornerstone of modern industrial construction, offer a perfect blend of efficiency, durability, and cost-effectiveness, and SCON Design has mastered this art. With over a decade of experience, SCON Design has honed its expertise in crafting bespoke prefab solutions that cater to diverse industrial needs. Their state-of-the-art manufacturing facility in Bengaluru serves as the birthplace of innovative designs that have transformed countless industrial landscapes across India. From conceptualization to installation, their team of skilled engineers and architects work tirelessly to bring clients' visions to life. The benefits of choosing SCON Design's prefab sheds are manifold. Rapid construction times mean businesses can be operational in a fraction of the time required for traditional building methods.
Their team has the
precision
expertise